Hello everyone, this is Cassie from eChineseLearning. I graduated from East China University with a master's degree in teaching Chinese as a foreign language. For more than 7 years, I have been teaching Chinese professionally. In addition, I have taught small and large classes at schools, as well as individual lessons. Some of my students tell me Chinese is interesting. Some says Chinese is hard because of the pronunciation and the grammar system. I would say that's right. Do you want to know how to pronounce and ü correctly? Or do you want to know how to pronounce the 4 tones correctly? Or do you want to distinguish the difference between ji and zhi, xi and shi, qi and chi? If yes to any of these questions, please follow me to explore the secrets of Chinese. I will provide professionally pinyin lessons for you. I would help you well speak authentic Chinese. Come and join us.